Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, the one and only Finglish. So students, today we are going to learn one lab activity, verification of laws of reflection. यानी हम laws of reflection का lab activity करने जा रहे हैं. First we have to draw one line, that is A and B. This is line AB is called mirror strip. Okay, this is mirror strip. Then take one center point, that is 0, and this line normal. Okay students, so we have to draw one normal at point O. Okay, see, first of all we have to draw one light ray. For example, I am having this marker, think that this is one laser light. Okay, so see, this line is called, this ray is called incidence ray. See, this is angle of incidence. See, this ray will get bounce back, that is reflection. Okay, and this angle is called angle of reflection. Very good. This is angle of incidence, angle of reflection. So student, reflection first law states that this angle of incidence and angle of reflection is always equal. See, ये angle होता है हमें angle I equal to angle R. Angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. इसका मतलब ये हुआ, अब आपके सामने मैं protractor, right? Suppose, see here, I'm keeping like, अगर मैं इंसिडेंस रे 45 लिया, ओके, अगर मैं इंसिडेंस रे 45 लेता हूं तो रिफ्लेक्शन भी अपोजिट 45 ही आता, क्योंकि ये फर्स्ट लॉ ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन है. सेकंड लॉ ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन, व्हाट इज दैट? एनीवन कैन टेल? इट्स वेरी इजी बॉयज. एनीवन? आई टॉट यू राइट?
Yes, sir. Second law of reflection. The incident ray, the normal to the mirror at the point of incidence, and the reflected ray lie in the same plane.
See, this is plane, A and B plane, okay? This incidence ray and reflected ray and normal meet at one point. एक point पे मिलते हैं incident ray and reflected ray, and this normal, ये पूरे लाइन क्या होते हैं, एक 0 पॉइंट पे पड़ते हैं. So students, we have to make one line that is A and B, then make one point here, and this point we can make as normal. Center line. So from here take one protractor and see, mark 45 degree and make one line. Wait, line. See here, so students, you can see this line, reflection line in the mirror. Okay, so make one straight line. First make the point from this reflection. See here, 2, 3, exact reflection. Okay, so this line is called reflection. Now see, if we measure this by d square, see, the angle of reflection would be 45 degree. It means angle of incidence is 45 degree, then angle of reflection also get 45 degree. So this angle of reflection and angle of incidence is equal, means angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. This is the first law of reflection. Okay. Second law of reflection is this angle of incidence ray and reflection ray and normal lies at point 0 at same plane. एक इस plane पे lie हो रहा है ना, right? This is called as second law of reflection. Okay, students.